What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to do a little review on the Cobra Speedster shorts 909s. Had them for a little about a year now. Really impressed with them. I love the way they make the bike look. I'm going to give you my pros and cons and then some sound samples as well. The pros, the sound is great. I love the way they look. I love that it's got a little chrome on the edge of it. I just think they look really good. I mean, I don't really have any, major pros. It's exhaust, sounds good, looks good, makes the bike look good. A couple of cons, nothing major. Goes back to the chrome pieces at the end. They get dirty real quick, which, hey, just it's not a big deal, but it is something. The other thing I noticed, I don't know if you can see it here, but it kind of hits where your foot peg is. If your foot peg is, your foot's here, I got a little burn mark there from my shoe, like one of the first times I rode it. So I just know to move my foot out a little bit more. The ease of install. Well, Revzilla did a video on these talking about, this is probably the harder to install. So I said, you know what? I'm going to pick those to see how hard it really is. Wasn't hard. A couple other videos were saying that they had problems with the baffles going in, screwing them in. I had no issues. Everything went together really smoothly. I would say it took me 2 hours to do this. Wasn't in a hurry, just kind of putting it together. Bought them from Hardcore Cycles Incorporated, I believe is who I bought them from, and I got them in less than 18 hours. They're at my door, so I couldn't complain. Now Amazon, I had to wait a good 48 hours plus to get the gasket, so I just got to stare at the exhaust in a box. But I'm going to do a startup, and then I'll do where I'm running through the gears, and I'll do a clip of me cruising along. So if you like this sort of thing, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out these clips, and I'll be back at you. It's not a cold start. It's been running for a little bit, but well, guys, I hope you enjoyed those clips. If you got any questions, like I said, put them down in the comments below, and we will catch you on the next one. Subscribe, it's free, doesn't cost you nothing. Ride safe, don't be a jerk out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.